Hi, my name is Agent Chase, and I'm a software developer for the NOAA Science Sphere team. Today I will be showing you how to install new datasets and how to remove existing datasets from your SOSX installation. To do this, you will first need to have SOS Explorer, of course, installed on your computer. If you haven't installed, you will have these two icons on your desktop. You will have SOS Explorer and SOSX Utilities. So you want to click on SOSX Utilities, which will open a folder that looks a little bit like this. You will then want to click on SOSX Dataset Manager. So if you double click this, this will ask you for administrator privileges, which is why I just had the black screen. It's just my computer asking me to grant administrator privileges to this application. Once you have those and you accept those, you will be presented with this screen. You can just click next, and then you will be presented with this what we call our dataset selection tree. This will have all the datasets that you already have installed selected. So all the datasets that are selected here, these are the ones I already have installed. If I want to add new ones, I can just go ahead and add them by just checking them. So I'm going to check a couple. Here, there will be the new size requirement. So for example, if I add these two datasets, my install will take an additional 107 megabytes to install. If I go ahead and deselect these two, the install is just a few kilobytes, basically nothing. If I go ahead and just deselect a few of the ones I already have installed, the install will go into the negative range, which basically means I'll be actually recovering storage from my hard drive. In this case, you can go ahead and select the ones you want or deselect the ones that you don't want, and so forth. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and click next. That will remove and add the new datasets that you selected. You can also click reset, and if you click reset, that will basically just have the datasets selected that you initially selected on your computer. So I mean, the ones that you already have installed on your computer will already be selected, making sure you're not changing anything if you just click reset. If you click space needed, this will show the difference between the new datasets that you want to install and the datasets that you want to remove, and it'll show you the difference. In this case, since I'm not changing anything, the difference isn't much. So with that, in this case, I'm just going to add one more dataset just to give an example. I think I like the lightning flash rate, so I'm going to go ahead and click that, and also maybe Hurricane Sandy, so I'm going to add those two. Click next, and then click install. And this will take, again, a while if you're adding a lot of datasets. Since I just added a few, it's probably going to be pretty quick. You just want to let it do its thing. And once it's done, it'll let you know, and it'll have a similar screen to once you already finished the installation process. I was just going to go ahead and pause this, but I already finished. So that was pretty quick. This basically means that you successfully added and removed the datasets that you selected and deselected. So just go ahead and click finish. With that, you have the new datasets. If you open up the software, you will have those datasets selected. So one additional thing to note, that if you do add real-time datasets to your installation, ones that you didn't already have installed, that basically will run the SOSX sync script. The sync script looks a little bit like this. This will again make sure that you're adding new images, the latest data from NOAA, and making sure that those datasets are up to date. So you want to leave that process running until it's done so that you do have the latest information and those datasets are working correctly. You can go ahead and start the SOS Explorer app even while this process is running. However, the real-time datasets might not be working correctly until they're done with the process. Well, that's that. It's pretty quick. Hopefully you like this tutorial video and hope you have a great day.